What's up guys, in this video let's perform the water test on the Poco F1, the lowest price Snapdragon 845 device at the moment, and see if it's able to handle all the water abuse. In case you have missed the unboxing, camera test and scratch and bend test of the Poco phone, then here is a card above with the links in the description. As usual, checking out the layer of oleophobic coating on the glass, I have to say that there was a bit of apprehension and fear going into this test. The last budget flagship tested on the channel, the Zenfone 5Z, as you might recall, suffered from screen damage where water had entered inside the screen, so fingers crossed for the Poco F1. Coming back to the test, the presence of this oleophobic layer prevents fingerprint smudges and also helps the water to roll off the screen instead of sticking to it, hence giving it a certain degree of water resistance to a phone otherwise with no waterproofing or any IP rating. The most common reaction to occur in these non-water resistant phones is low distorted audio via the external speakers, which can last from a few seconds to several minutes to hours. Apart from that, there have been cases of random reboots, screen flickering issues, or the display going blank for 14 hours on the Redmi Y2, and the failed Zenfone 5Z, which suffered from water seepage issues. So let's find out if the Poco phone is able to survive all this water abuse or fail terribly like the costlier Asus Zenfone 5Z. Poco F1 reminds me of phones like the Redmi Note 5, Realme 1 and the Samsung Galaxy J4, all of which had performed like devices with water resistance. It was kind of a big relief that the Poco did not fail like the Zenfone and was able to handle the heavy splashing like a champ. But we do need to keep in mind that it does not have any waterproofing and try to avoid drops inside water. But apart from that, the Poco F1 behaves just like an IP54 rated splashproof device. Stay tuned for more latest devices on the channel. Thanks for watching, keep the peace and catch you next time.